dare? Bringing another woman here tonight?
It's not what you
How
think.
fucking dare you? Every day I wake up thinking, why her? It should have been you!
There's no mountain I could not climb.
Did she tell you she was pregnant?
As long as you are mine. And
Last year.
Thank you.
Did you know?
For being you.
Why didn't she tell me?
Your best friend.
You want to know why?
I'll be your
It wasn't
guide.
yours.
Whenever
She was seeing someone,
me,
and I took her for the procedure.
I'll be by your side.
I wish you'd kept it.
I love you more and more and more each day. I love you more and more and more than I can say.